welcome back to my channel. So today I am out at
all my drivers
seriously
driving
go
session.
through this now. Alright, let's try this again.
Alright, I'm gonna get you over into these lanes and then get you out into the discovery laps.
Welcome back, everyone. So I took a trip over to Exotics Racing this weekend on the outside track of the Las Vegas Motor Speedway. They have Hellcats in their fleet, but only for 2-lap ride-alongs for up to 3 people. So as I waited for our appointment, it was interesting to see how they maintain their Hellcats. You can see them cooling off the intercooler here after a few runs, and in the distance here, you can see that neon green Charger. They are changing the wheels with new tires. So I'm quite certain all of these things happened several times throughout the day. And of course, I'm sure they need to fuel up several times throughout the day. It was finally time for our appointment, and can we just pause for a moment to appreciate all of the rubber that is on that back fender? So we are ready to go. So let's take a second to look at the onboard display. It looks a lot different from mine, but you can clearly see they are using the red key and they have it in track mode. It's also interesting to see all of the computers that they have as well that are on board. They didn't get in the way or anything, but it was just interesting to see that. I'm sure they're getting a lot of data.
Ready?
Yes. So it was very quick, but it was very fun. The whole thing lasted about, I'd say, 2 minutes or so. If I had a chance, would I do it again? Absolutely. In fact, I think I want to go back. I want to learn how to drift anyway, so I'm going to go and try to steal all of his tips. I thought I was going to watch him drive, but I didn't. I was just really smiling, if you could see that under the mask. Now, I know you saw me holding a GoPro. I don't know what happened, but when I checked when I got home, this was the footage that I had. The entire thing took less than 30 seconds. It is what it is. So as you can see, I had lots of fun. You can see the staff had fun too. It was just an overall good experience. So that's it for today, friends. I hope you enjoyed this. You know what I'm about to say next. Keep the racing off of the streets and on the track. And I will see you in my next video. Thanks for watching.